Welcome to the Solana Liquidity Remover tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to remove liquidity from your Raydium pools on the Solana blockchain using our user-friendly platform. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your tokens. Enter the pool ID or OpenBook Market ID for your liquidity pool. This ID is essential for identifying your pool on the Solana blockchain. Specify the amount of LP tokens you want to remove from the pool. You can use the max and half buttons to quickly set the amounts based on your token balances. Review the estimated amounts of base and quote tokens that will be removed. These numbers are estimates, and the real values will appear in your wallet transaction. If you want the removing transaction to process faster, enable the toggle switch for advanced options and set the priority fee as needed. Then, choose the nearest block processing engine for your location. This will route your transaction through Jito, ensuring greater speed and efficiency. Click the Remove Liquidity button to initiate the process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, including the total fees, and confirm to proceed. The platform is now removing liquidity from your pool on the Solana blockchain. This might take a few moments. Please wait while the transaction is being processed. Congratulations! Your liquidity has been successfully removed from the pool. You can now view the transaction details on Solscan. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation. These resources provide additional guidance on removing liquidity from pools. Thank you for using the Solana Liquidity Remover tool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.